This time I'm starting it on my driveway, screw me neighbours, see if I make it. The wipers work. Oh yeah, we've got a wipe, there we go. Right. Fourth. Which way's reverse? I've forgotten. That's it, it's over there. Don't do that to me. Let it tick over on this hill. Nearly there. It's louder than I remember. Jesus. As soon as I give it any power, that's how loud it is. No more hills now, just flat. Forgot what number he said he was. I'll have to pull over and check. It's a fairly high number, 70 something, 80 something. I'm not sure. He's a motorbikeist. No, that's a scooter, that won't be him. I think I've passed it. I'll check my phone for his address. Found his house. Only third attempt. I'm not sure he's home. He said he'd be back at 1:15. And it's about 25 past. Now, Carlos is a rare breed. He's actually a Tame Welder. So, hopefully he won't bite. And we'll see what he can do. Can't see him. Let's go have a look. Briefly, it's welded up, hooked on rubber at back, and we're just about to put it. Let's see where it goes there. My phone will have to be off, hands full. Bye bye. Well, an hour later, it's working now. Is it still stalling on overrun? Yeah, I think it is. It's respectable loud now. It's really dark in here, look. Oh, I've only got to made it home. Good grief. It's not much quieter. It'll do till that stainless one gets put on that's booked in, but yeah, it is what it is. I think I'll try and get my 2 litre engine out back at car tomorrow by myself. That could be interesting.